Eli candelo lentlekele kweli loMzantsi Afrika lisingathe amazwe aliqela ase-Afrika, eYurophu kunye naseMiddle East ngelinge lokuxhobisa uluntu ngamanyathelo ekufuneka ethathiwe xa kuthe kwehla intlekele yendalo ingakumbi inyikima.
Into yenze ukuthi sibe la mhlonishwa nokuthi si-hoste le event la ekhaya. Into ebesifuna kuyenza ukuthini thina we are the members endeni zika Africa, Europe and Middle East. Manje la uma beza kithi la eAfrica and then bathole ukuthini singabantu aba-right kahle ukuthi we can host that event. Manje into yenzakalayo ke ilena siyenza i-simulation kusho ukuthini siyenza umfanekiso wakuthini should kusasa into efana nalena iyenzakale and then singayenza kanjani. Manje siyenze njani? Sifuna nje ukuthi sibone kunama-policy asebenziswayo noma ama-disaster plans asebenziswayo from the metro, the Nelson Mandela, the province and even national. Now those disaster plans kufanele ukuthi attestiwe ukuthi ayasebenza na, ngoba during disaster ufanele ukuthi ubize bonke abantu bazosebenzisana kanye endaweni eyodwa. Njengoba ubona kahle mhlonishwa la sinamaphoyisa, sinalabo baka-traffic, sinama-emergency rescuers, sina wonke abantu bekhona lapho.
Umasipala uMbaxa weNelson Mandela Bay uthi emva kwalo msitho ukuya phambili uza kuphehlelela namanye amaphulo okuxhobisa uluntu ngendlela zokuzikhusela xa kukho iintlekele zendalo kulo masipala uMbaxa.
Okubalekile kakhulu kuthina njenge-disaster management ukuthi sizofunda kakhulu namhlanje njengoba kukhona ama-international countries at least 12, khona nama-provinces. We have Gauteng, we have Mpumalanga, we have Northwest, we have Limpopo as well, and then we have various municipalities. For instance, we have a municipality from Western Cape, we have metros, City of Tshwane, City of Joburg and City of Ekurhuleni. We have local municipalities from Joburg as well. So this is a great opportunity for the metro, particularly disaster management, to learn different practices that will enhance ukusebenza kamasipala ukuthi usebenze kangcono. Futhi lana okunye okubalekile kakhulu ipurpose yale exercise sibone ukuthi sirede kangakanani as umasipala, as much as senza i-earthquake exercise, but we know ukuthi abakhona amanye ama-secondary disasters. Earthquake leads to tsunamis, which will lead to floods. Then the other secondary disasters like outbreak, disease outbreak. So then sizothetha sinawo ama-plans as the metro, and then the stakeholders as well sizobathetha ukuthi siyakwazi ukusebenzisana ndawonye makunenhlekelele, and then masingakhophi sibize abanye omasipala abama-neighboring, then masingakwazi sibize other provinces, and then eventually si-escalate to countries outside South Africa.
Ukanti amagosa ajongene neenkonzo zomlilo kumasipala athi afunde lukhulu malunga nendlela abanokuthi bakhusele ngayo abantu balo masipala xa kuthe kwakho imililo emikhulu nendlela zokucima loo mililo ethe yakho.
We're learning a lot from them. It is invaluable what we're learning here, which will enable us to serve our community within the metro as well, where we should be deployed elsewhere within the province. We will be up to the task. We are already busy with training programs, getting our staff in line with all the required modules for USA, which is a program that is run by the province, and soon we will establish those teams which will be almost on the same standard as the international teams, but we'll be better than them.
Lo msitho we-earthquake response exercise kulindeleke ukuba uqhube ezinye iintsuku ezimbini apha eNelson Mandela Bay. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguSandile Njungi.